Can BRICS ever replace alliances like the G7? While the number of BRICS nations is soon to exceed that of the G7, BRICS is also taking decisive actions to hold more power than the G7. Recently, President Putin announced on behalf of BRICS the establishment of a BRICS Parliament. This move could change everything. It would be a significant shock for the West, not only politically but also economically, signaling a potential decline in Western hegemony. However, will the West attempt to place obstacles in the way of this development? Let's find out. In a groundbreaking revelation, Russian President Vladimir Putin has proposed the establishment of a BRICS Parliament. This announcement, made at a recent forum in St. Petersburg, has the potential to redefine the way Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa collaborate on the global stage. The idea of a BRICS parliamentary body signifies a transformative shift, offering these nations a dedicated platform to share ideas and make collective decisions, much like the United Nations, but exclusively for BRICS members. But why has President Putin proposed a BRICS parliament now? At the historic Tavrichesky Palace in St. Petersburg, Putin introduced the concept during a high-profile forum. This event, gathering over 400 participants from BRICS nations and 7 countries from the Commonwealth of Independent States (CS), showcased the growing support for BRICS initiatives among the global South and East. Despite the absence of Saudi Arabian representatives, the forum's atmosphere was charged with anticipation and optimism, reflecting a strategic shift in global diplomacy. Putin's proposal was not just a fleeting idea, it was a bold declaration of intent. He articulated a vision for a BRICS parliamentary institution aimed at enhancing cooperation and influence on the global stage. Emphasizing the importance of open discussions, promoting democracy in international relations, and respecting each nation's unique identity, Putin presented the forum as a crucial platform for fostering these ideals. This vision seeks to create a space where BRICS nations can coordinate their actions more effectively and amplify their collective voice. But can a BRICS parliament transform global governance? Here's a reminder to please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos on Africa's geopolitics, economy, and changing landscape. Let's continue now. The establishment of such a body would be a significant leap towards strengthening connections at the highest levels of parliamentary chambers, committees, and groups of parliamentarians. By facilitating collaboration and the sharing of expertise, BRICS aims to develop innovative ways of working together, making the group more effective in addressing global challenges. A structured platform like the BRICS Parliament could serve as a forum for discussing joint initiatives and fostering multilateralism, fairness, and mutual respect. Brazilian Senator Veneziano Vital do Rego emphasized the potential of such a group to complement BRICS' strengths in parliamentary ties and expertise sharing. This coordinated approach could lead to more unified policy responses and a stronger presence in international forums, enhancing the global influence of BRICS nations. What specific functions will the BRICS Parliament undertake? The proposed BRICS Parliament aims to serve as a legislative and deliberative body that would focus on several key areas. Firstly, it would facilitate the creation of harmonized policies across member states, ensuring that legislative actions in one BRICS country support and complement those in another. This could lead to more cohesive and effective regional policies on issues such as trade, security, and environmental protection. Secondly, the BRICS Parliament would act as a forum for conflict resolution and diplomatic dialogue, offering a structured environment for addressing disputes and fostering understanding among member nations. By promoting peaceful negotiations and cooperative problem-solving, the Parliament could help to mitigate tensions and prevent conflicts from escalating. Additionally, the Parliament would work on enhancing economic cooperation by developing and overseeing joint economic projects, trade agreements, and investment initiatives. This includes promoting the use of BRICS currencies in trade, reducing dependency on external financial systems, and creating new financial instruments to support mutual economic growth. Moreover, the BRICS Parliament would aim to foster cultural and educational exchanges, strengthening the social and cultural bonds among member states. By supporting programs that encourage academic collaboration, cultural understanding, and people-to-people connections, the Parliament would help to build a more integrated and cohesive BRICS community. Now the question is, what obstacles stand in the way of realizing this vision? The road to establishing a BRICS Parliament is fraught with challenges, including political differences and logistical complexities among member states. Additionally, the exact powers and functions of the BRICS Parliament remain undefined, raising questions about how it would differ from existing international bodies like the United Nations. Despite these uncertainties, the forum participants displayed a strong commitment to exploring this idea further. The enthusiasm for deeper cooperation reflects a broader trend among BRICS nations to seek greater autonomy and influence in global affairs. This determination to push forward, despite potential hurdles, illustrates the shared desire for a more cohesive and influential BRICS alliance. Could economic strategies under this new framework redefine financial independence? Putin's vision for BRICS extends beyond political collaboration to encompass significant economic shifts. He urged BRICS nations to rely more on their currencies and trade, reducing dependence on traditional financial systems dominated by the wealthiest nations, which he referred to as the Golden Billion. This move could help BRICS countries mitigate the impact of sanctions and unfair trade practices, fostering a more equitable global economic landscape. Developing new financial instruments to facilitate mutual trade and investment among BRICS members is another critical aspect of this vision. By creating mechanisms that enhance economic cooperation and resilience, BRICS could further solidify its role as a counterbalance to established financial powers. This economic independence would not only protect BRICS nations from external economic pressures, but also strengthen their internal economies through increased mutual support and collaboration. Anyway, what does the future hold for BRICS expansion and influence? Since its inception, BRICS has seen increasing cooperation among its member states. The first major parliamentary event was held in 2011, followed by the official BRICS Parliamentary Forum in Moscow in 2015. With Russia set to take the reins as BRICS chair in 2024, the group is poised to welcome new members, including Egypt, Iran, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Ethiopia. This expansion underscores BRICS' growing influence and diversity, positioning it as a significant player on the global stage. The establishment of a BRICS parliament could significantly enhance the group's ability to resolve international conflicts and promote a more balanced global economy. Putin believes that by working together, BRICS can achieve its full potential in economics, investment, technology, and human development, making the world a safer and more harmonious place. This collaborative approach could pave the way for innovative solutions to global challenges, driven by the combined strengths and perspectives of its diverse member states. Are we about to witness a more unified and influential BRICS? Putin's ambitious vision for BRICS is rooted in the collective will and efforts of its member nations and partners. The idea of a BRICS parliamentary body is more than a proposal. It is a call to action for BRICS countries to collaborate more closely and structure their efforts more effectively. By strengthening mechanisms of cooperation, BRICS aims to address global challenges more efficiently and create a more balanced world order. While the path to establishing a BRICS parliament is fraught with challenges, the potential benefits are significant. If successful, this initiative could shift the balance of power and influence in global politics and economics, paving the way for a new era of multilateralism and cooperation. As the global political landscape continues to evolve, BRICS appears ready to take on a more prominent role, shaping the future of international relations and economic policies. In the end, Putin's proposal invites all to consider the possibilities and implications of a more unified and influential BRICS. This vision challenges the current global order and presents an opportunity for a more equitable and collaborative international community. Let's end the video with one question. What threats does the BRICS Parliament pose to the West? The establishment of a BRICS parliament represents a significant shift in the global power balance, posing several potential threats to Western dominance. By creating a unified parliamentary body, BRICS nations can coordinate their policies more effectively, presenting a united front on international issues. This could diminish the ability of Western countries to impose their will on global matters, as the BRICS bloc would wield considerable collective influence. Economically, the Brics Parliament threatens the dominance of Western financial systems. One of its key objectives is to promote the use of Brics currencies in international trade, reducing reliance on the US dollar and euro. This shift could undermine the financial hegemony of Western nations, as Brics countries develop new financial instruments and mechanisms to support mutual trade and investment. The move towards economic independence among Brics members could result in a more multipolar global economy, reducing the West's ability to leverage economic sanctions and trade policies. Furthermore, the Brics Parliament could foster closer ties between its member states, enhancing cooperation in technology, energy, and infrastructure. This collaboration might lead to significant advancements and innovations, challenging Western technological and industrial superiority. As Brics nations pool their resources and expertise, they could become formidable competitors in various sectors, potentially disrupting markets traditionally dominated by Western companies. The question remains, are Western nations prepared to face this bold step towards a future where Brics plays an even bigger role? Do you think Brics gaining more influence is becoming a reality? How would the West react to this power divide? Let us know in the comments section. Should we expect competition? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. We have decided to bring videos on something nobody talks about: African politics, economy, and increasing power. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.
Tell us what you think in the comment section. Like and share the video, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our African videos. It's the best way to support us.